This was the third attempt this patient had to get their earwax removed. My name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. Now, this lovely patient came through, oh, bless him, in sheer desperation. They'd been to their local pharmacy and somebody had attempted to remove the wax there, but it was so uncomfortable the patient couldn't carry on with the procedure. They'd been to a high street store, a well-known big chain here in the UK, and basically they just said it can't come out, it's never going to come out, you're going to have to go to the hospital to get this done. So they phoned us in desperation and said, look, would you have a go? And we said, yeah, no problem at all. But what we can see here is this really thick and sticky earwax. Now, it's not an easy one to get out just because it naturally wants to stick to the canal wall, but good old olive oil is going to go in here, and this is going to make a big difference as far as this ear canal is concerned, because it's going to coat the wax and it's going to sit on the surface of the skin. So when it's super sticky like this, it stops the wax from re-sticking, which is why the other places had so much difficulty getting this out. But when you take a look now, we've managed to get a good grip. You can see some keratin on the left-hand side, which has peeled away from the canal wall, but now we're starting to get a little bit of movement. It's on its way. It's starting to come down the canal. You can see I'm wiggling back and forth, and this is me gently kind of rocking and walking this wax, if you like, for want of a better word, down the canal. There we go. You can see I'm just pulling this front section. It's almost stretching a little bit. You can see the consistency here is this really thick. I want to say almost like a fudge or a toffee consistency. Apologies for the few references in advance, but you can see this is coming away really nicely. We've got it to the outer portion of the ear canal, and out that came. Patient relief was incredible, because poor patient, this has been going on for ages and ages and ages, and they've been really struggling to find anyone to get it out. But there we go, or just over a centimetre, just under half an inch there, guys. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me. And if you have ear problems yourself, make sure you check out the link tree in the description. You can book yourself an appointment with myself, the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll get that sorted out. Have a little look up here. We've got some big wax removals for you to check out up there as well. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another, and see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.